This is just gonna be this is gonna be obelisk with circles, and we're gonna stack after the circles on purple. Boss
But
is
the boss
safe.
is
Boss is
also
safe.
safe.
Super tight on the
Stand
boss.
exactly under the boss.
Move out, move out, move out. Use immunities if you can. And actual on pancake. Stack super tight on the boss. Move out with the circle.
Come on, boys, come on.
Yeah, can you kick me from the build already? Thank you.
Yeah,
Don't sub
fuck
this.
off,
Don't
Pancake.
sub this.
Come on, boys.
In before enrage.
Oh, we actually
Yes!
actually beat them.
Go,
Wow.
boys!
Ah!
Good job.
Done!
It is actually
Congrats,
over.
boys.
Holy shit! I didn't even put Master Loot on!
Is it on personal loot? Fuck!